Hello FutureMakers, welcome to TeacherPreneur. Today we are going to answer the question, is Phonicpreneur worth 5,555 rupees? To start with, Phonicpreneur is a live teacher training course, but along with that, you also get the recorded version of each and every class with lifetime access. Also, you have to understand that all the resources that you need to teach phonics will be provided by us. You will be ready to take your classes as soon as the course ends. So you not only learn the concepts of phonics, you also learn how to teach phonics to your children inside the course. Along with that, you also receive a number of resources for free inside Phonicpreneur, including story sheet, jingle sheet, flashcards, and so much more. And the cherry on the top is that you will also receive a certificate by the end of the course, which will be the perfect addition to your CV. These days, most of the schools demand phonics trained teachers, and since you have the certificate, you'll have an edge over others. And even if you're not taking a teaching job, the trainings, the resources, and the certificate will help you open your own classes and become financially independent. I think you should not miss this opportunity and DM us right now to get yourself enrolled inside Phonicpreneur.